Hey traders, Jason with a Day Trading Fearless. In this video, we're going to do the weekly watch list for December 18th, 2022. And this does not look good at all. You guys know I've been calling for around the 4,000 to 4,200 to end the year. I will admit when I'm wrong. I might be wrong on this one, but the year is still not done yet, so we still have about 2 weeks. Remember, today was options expiration, but we are falling from this head and shoulders and all that. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also if you're interested in coaching or want to check out my weekly Emini S&P future trade zones, check out the links down below or go to my website, daytradingfearless.com. Also, if you want to get funded to be a funded trader like I have with Elite Trader Funding, then there's also a link down below with a special coupon code. But with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So, like I said, I was dead wrong, right? Market's just been straight down, look above, very classic look above and fail. I did a midweek video update where I said, hey, we're still making higher highs, higher lows. That was right before this big red candle broke down, because if you think about it, we actually made a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, double bottom. So it's still a higher low and then a higher high. And then I'm like, hey, we could still potentially get there because the trend was up. But guess what? When we took out on Thursday these lows, the trend has now been broken. Okay. And we are now heading back down. So this ascending triangle or a descending triangle that I talked about last week kind of broke down with the head and shoulders. Let's grab our fib extension tool and see exactly where potential targets are, right? And we came right to the 127.2, right? Our 1618 is right around the 3,800 level. And then our 200 for this entire pattern is right here at 3715, which just magically comes down into these lows. So maybe that's where we go. Maybe this year is going to be a negative 30% year or 25% year on the S&P futures. No, but the charts are telling me we are now making a high, a low, maybe a retracement, lower high, lower low into the end of the year, at least this week. But we will see. We are in a waterfall right now, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we zoom in, right, we could see the dailies are in the waterfall, which is a very bearish pattern. So another chart I'm going to bring to you guys, we're going to start using this chart too, usually, this is my market profile. I'll leave a link down below to this chart if you guys want it for your own kind of think or swim charts. But we could see we were in a very well-balanced area, okay, of the overall market. We had the point of control over here. This is a 90-day, 30-minute chart, right? And we're now breaking down from this entire pattern, right? We have another very balanced area, which is right here. So the lower edge of this balance is probably right around this 36, 35. Are we going there? Oh, no, we'll see. But this chart is really good for looking for open gaps, VPOCs, things like that, right? If we grab just our price level, right? What I like to do is kind of mark off the point of controls, okay, with the value area highs, value area lows, okay? And look at my bigger profile. Yeah, we could probably come down into this probably 38.25 this week, and then we should probably find some buying into that level. Also, this 38.38. Look at how well this value area high of this day was look where price went. It ended directly to at literally more went to the low, literally to the tick on it. So this is a very powerful chart. We have value area low. These are all untouched value areas that I look for. If it's already been touched, they still work, but usually the very first ones, I'm not going to go here because price already touched it here, right? So hopefully that helps. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this chart and all that. Just do me a favor, check out my website if you guys are interested in any of the services I do offer. But that's I'm gonna say a little lower this week, and then probably maybe bounce and churn a little bit right around this 38.20 to 38. We'll say 3,900 level. So we will see. /NQ. Same exact thing. Look above and fail. I would come down here. I still have the bigger levels that I'm watching on NASDAQ, and NASDAQ might get hit pretty hard, but same pattern, right? There are levels down below, but just grab a fib extension and draw something like this for this entire breakdown. And look, our 200 is almost right at the 127 from this entire leg. So those are the levels for that. To take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, just in a downtrend. Like I said, I've said watch this 70 level. That's where the U.S. Is buying oil to refill the SPR. Every time we come down to this level, 70, 71, we'll probably dip below maybe 67, 68, but then rally back up because they have to, their buyers right around that 70 level. So every time it gets there, they keep buying. So I would say lower highs, lower lows. We're going to probably keep going lower in crude oil, but I think bounces are very buyable. Let's take a look at Bitcoin /BTC. What's the next leg to drop for Bitcoin? We kind of broke out of this entire wedge, kind of coming back to retest. I think we're going to make new lows. Like I said, I've been saying it all year. I'm a broken record. I know, I get it, but I still think 12,000, 11,000 on Bitcoin. It's just what is the next shoe to drop to take it down there. So I am bearish on Bitcoin, especially this week with the market rolling over and Bitcoin too. Gold, GLD. Gold kind of sideways, made new highs this week. Okay, been bullish on gold for a few weeks now, ever since our divergence down here. I think maybe churn to keep working our way higher. So still bullish on gold. Buybacks, I believe, are buyable. Silver, same exact thing, new highs, same pattern. Everything's going on with silver and gold. So those guys look strong. And then finally, Apple. Ugh. Look at this triple bottom. Keep on knocking and I'll let you in. Apple does not look healthy at all. Grab fib extension just from this entire leg. These are the levels to watch. 127, 128 level. Isn't it amazing how all I do is draw a fib extension with these levels and they just match up almost to the penny to this low all the way back in June. Can't make this stuff up. Maybe bigger head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder breakdown, right? Bigger picture, but definitely watch this 110 level. I love that 110 level. I will be a buyer. No, this is a trade advice, but hopefully that helps. But as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link to the new market profile chart down in the description. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you like that chart, if it helps and all that. And as always, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.